The stationary lunge is an exercise for developing the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes muscles in your legs. You don't need any additional equipment for this exercise. I like to use this exercise as a priming dynamic stretch for my legs on any days that I'm going to be working with my legs, like lifting heavy squats or deadlifts. Begin standing and step one leg back to come into a staggered stance with your heel up in your back leg and both knees slightly bent. Engage your abdominals to push your hips slightly forward, and keep a tall posture with your chest pushed forward and your shoulders down away from your ears throughout this exercise. To begin, bend both of your knees to lower your body straight down towards the floor. Then engage your quadriceps and glutes to come back up to the starting position at the top. Keep your heel up in the back leg throughout the movement, and avoid allowing your front knee to come forward past your toes and the front foot. Your body should move straight up and down like an elevator, not forward and back. One time down and up is one repetition on one side. Perform this exercise on both sides for the recommended number of repetitions in your training program. To add resistance to this exercise and make it more challenging, you can wrap a resistance band under your forward foot or hold a hand weight in both hands at your sides. If this exercise is too difficult, consider doing the seated lunges and work your way up to being able to do this move unassisted. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more trainer tips and exercise tutorials.